driving it home, and just like off this exit right here, it stalled. I was like heading back to work, and the battery cable, this was just off. Freaking battery needs a tie down. Yeah, this is where I got stuck. Freaking coasted right here. So I bought like a battery cable kit right there that I'm gonna put in. So they put in a oil relocation kit and a oil cooler right there. Doesn't have AC. Typically there's like a ton of crap right there for the AC.
So this doesn't have AC?
No AC, dude.
That's alright.
Full race car. Upgraded radiator. It's hard to see those turbos, but they look new, man. I've got to get this battery secured. I just put the string on it for like 5 minutes so I could go drive it. Just a generic battery tie down. Probably have to drill. Got it in. Drilled a hole, tighten it down. Stuck it under this little bit right there. Just gotta cut these tips off because they're too tall. Punch right through my carbon fiber hood. Stable. And down. One more to go. Just using this really crappy hacksaw. Works though. There we go. All set. Lots more to do. All right. Got a little something in the mail. The correct ignition coil pack wiring specialties. So this has got thicker wiring for a better electrical signal being sent to the coil packs and down through the sparks. So just these two plugs and then all the ignition all the way back. Number 2. Feed this underneath first. See down there, it's grounded. That's where this ground wire is going to go. I gotta get a bolt that will fit that. Here's the old electrical taped, crunchy wiring harness. It's been overheated many times. A lot cleaner looking. Really nice quality. Cost $100. Just want to keep things maintained, and this ignition is something that the R32 motor can have issues with, so I thought I'd just take care of it now and get it over with, and maybe get a little more power, better spark. It's always good. Super excited. Let's start it up. Alright, success. Eventually I want to replace the ignition coil packs in there to some split fire, get a better spark, get more power, better gas mileage. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time and let you know how it goes. Check out my other videos and lots more to come with the GTR. Thanks for watching.